Hello and good morning. I am Keri, founder of Keri Kit, beautiful kit bags that keep you effortlessly organised when you need it most. Today guys, box 2 has arrived. I haven't opened it because I had so much fun opening it with you guys yesterday or the day before when I got the first box. Now, because the internet's still not very good, I am going to crack on and I will post this one later. But I have got more boxes arriving today. In fact, I think all of them might be arriving today. So what I'm planning to do is I'll do a live and we'll see what the quality is like. And if it's terrible, then I'll just go back to doing it this way. But it is so much more fun when I have your interaction rather than all the comments afterwards. But that's fine. It was so lovely to get all your comments anyway. So glad to see that you loved the anaconda as much as I did, and the forest green. So should we see what we've got in here today? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's like Christmas has come. Oh my god, you're going to be happy with this one. I know a lot of you have been really dying to see the amber backpack in the forest green, and that is what we've got here right now. So, as I said, this is me seeing the samples exactly at the same time as you guys. So, let us have a quick look, and hopefully it's going to be amazing. So it's basically really early in the morning as well, guys, because the kids are all still asleep. I just thought I'd come up here and get this done while it's nice and quiet. So you might hear the cockle going off in the background, and if you do, then that's fine too. My god, oh my goodness gracious me, it's divine, guys. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Now this is the dark green, forest green. It's really dark. Yesterday on Instagram I popped up a picture in natural light just to try and show you that it is green, it's not black. I'm hoping that you can see that here. It's just looking utterly, utterly perfect. There isn't really anything to say. You're all familiar with the bag already, hopefully. It's really just seeing it in another colour. So this is the pebble I've had developed. It's a beautiful full grain leather. It's really durable. The pigmenting on it is incredibly, incredibly light, so it would enjoy conditioning. It's not like an NDM or a PDM. This is a full grain pebble. So it's going to last you a lifetime. It's going to enjoy a bit of conditioning, and it's going to look beautiful for years to come. So there we go. That's the first one. And let's have a look at the second one. Okay, what have we got here? Okay, so that's the amber and the blackened pebble. So I don't really think you need to see that one because you all know what the black one looks like anyway. What do we have? What do we have? Teddy in anaconda with the gunmetal. And we have one more, which is, oh great. Oh, you've seen that already, but I'm going to show it you anyway, which is the Vicky notebook. So let's have a look at this one first. Oh my goodness. I'm just so in love with this leather. I mean, I think you guys are too, now you've kind of given me your feedback, but it's absolutely beautiful. Smells like heaven. It's beautifully made. I can't tell you how beautiful this atelier is that I'm working with. I've known them for years, probably about 15 years now, which makes me feel incredibly old. And they have just done such a beautiful job. As you can see down here, the seam is right down the centre. It just looks amazing with the gunmetal, absolutely amazing with gunmetal. You have got the crossbody strap on the inside, which is there that you can see, and you've got your little wrist loop as well. But as I said, I'm not going into all the details today of each bag. I just wanted to give you a little bit of an overview. So that is the Teddy in the black with the gunmetal. And do remember, guys, I am making a more limited edition numbers now. So you're not going to see sales like you've seen this summer. Like, blame that on Brexit, blame that on COVID, blame that on whatever you like. That is going to be a thing of the past. I am moving into far more limited edition numbers so that I can have a little bit more fun, make more styles, play around a little bit more, which is my favourite thing as a designer to do, and introduce beautiful leathers and beautiful products like this to the collection. But they will be limited numbers, so I'm just giving you that heads up now. The Keri kit of the past is not the Keri kit of the future. Oh my goodness, look how cute that is. So a quick run around this because you haven't seen this before. So this is the Vicky journal cover. It will go over one of my Keri Kit notebooks that you can also get online. That's the A5 size. Or you can get a bullet journal, which is what I'm raving about at the moment. Loving my bullet journals. And so what we've got here is we've moved, the only change I made quite a few samples of this, is that we moved this over to the back. That was so you can have a zip on the back. So you have now got a slip pocket at the back, which you could put a few bits of items in. Here you could slide your phone in the back. So I think that's a really cool little addition that I put in there, so that that's now on the back, and you've got like a little grab and go clutch. You can tell it's early. And then on the inside, you have got your slip pockets here to pop your notebook. And then you have an additional 2 slip pockets on the outer side of that, so you can put any of your notes, any little cards, any affirmation cards and things like that. I left this one here really nice and big, so you can put a really nice affirmation card every day, or your business cards there, or a nice photo of your family, or just something that you may want from your vision board, anything that you think is going to inspire you every day. Here you've got little elasticated bits, use them as ever you like. You can put pens in there, paper clips, anything that's just going to help you with your journaling. And then down the side here, you've got loads of little pockets, and that's just so you can put all of your little things that you like if you're a journaler. I will be doing some examples of that. I'm still new to it as well, so I'm learning, but I am absolutely loving how organised my life feels, and this little bad boy has helped me to do it. So that is, yeah, the Vicky journal cover. It's absolutely beautiful. It's in the Anaconda. We will be having it coming in a tan as well. I think it's beautiful as a gift. It could even be a gift for a man with the gunmetal hardware. I think Christmas is coming. It could be a lovely little gift for a man, but you know what? Perfect for us too. I use mine every day. In fact, excuse me for leaning over. Here's what I prepared earlier. So this is the one we use for photography. This is our pre-production. And in here you can see how we've got it laid out. You've got places to put everything. On the back side, I've just got the pen, any stencils. But as you can see, this is where the zip was. And we just were a little concerned that if you were trying to write on your journal while it was in here, this might get in the way. And it was actually far more useful having it on the outside where you could put your phone. So now that has been done. Oh, and we added a little pen loop. I don't know if you remember. So you've now got your little pen loops here if you want to use those as well. And so now in my mind, it is utterly, utterly perfect. And that's it, ready to go. So I hope you found that useful, guys. Please leave your questions, your comments, your feedback in the comments below. I'll post this onto YouTube, Instagram, IGTV, and then you should be able to find it everywhere else that you need to. And yeah, let me know your thoughts. Contact me at kerikit.com if you need to. Everything is on the website of how to get in touch, or just leave your comments below. Thank you so much for watching.